Okay, welcome to another demo. This demo is going to be the about the gap tool in the toolbar. So, first of all, the gap tool can be as like if you expand your toolbar, it's the second one down at the top. And if you collapse the toolbar just like that, it would be the fourth one down, one over here. So if we press on that, we will see that we got four squares that are the same size and the same proportion. They are slightly off center from one another. Okay, and if I take the gap tool, I can change the proportion of the squares on the top, just like that. Or at the bottom for that matter, just like that. The gap that you see here will remain, but uh, this is a quick and easy way of adapting the proportion of your graphics. Okay. Now, what you also can do is, if you hold down the command button on the keyboard, you can also decrease the gap between your graphics, just like this. Okay, now, if you let me go back to where I first began. Okay, now, as I mentioned before, well now, each square is the same size, and if I was to align them um, um, evenly to where they all line up, and the gap going up and down and left to right are the same. Now, what happens? All of the square changes its proportion, just like that. Okay, and if I was to hold down the key command on the keyboard, I can also increase or decrease the gap between the squares. Just like that. So that is the gap tool for it. If you got any questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.